Been a long ass day and you're tired and you're stressed. Don't worry about it. Tomorrow's a new day. Let it go. Don't let it bug you. Nobody, nothing. The good news, all these obstacles, you're learning resilience. Resilience is one of the best skills to learn. Once you've mastered resilience, you overcome more and more and more and become a pro. I want you to do is take a chill pill. So go buy yourself a delish cup of coffee or your favorite cake or chocolate and just take the evening off. Start again fresh tomorrow. But tomorrow, I want you to do a meditation before work. What happens is meditation puts you into a calm place. And as soon as an obstacle comes your way during the day, it goes like this. It's the most incredible feeling. Like it doesn't stress you out like it normally does. So promise me you'll take the day off now. I'm sending big virtual hugs. Tomorrow start your day off with a meditation. I will put the meditations that I listen to in the post below so you can go have a look. They're free. Just remember, it's just a bad day and not a bad life. You've got this. Tomorrow's fresh. Wishing you everything of the best. If you need help, I can assist you overcoming your obstacles and creating your dream life.